Mikey Marina.
Now turn right. Prepare to arrive at your destination in 0.4 miles.
So there's like 2 different marinas here. Good afternoon. I should say good evening, fellow boat fans, boat friends. We are at the Mikey Marina, just off the shores of Lake Erie, just outside of Maumee, which is just outside of Toledo. And First Mate's getting the boat prep and getting ready to put in for the 4th of July holiday weekend. So looks like a big marina, approximately 1,800 slips. So we've got a slip. You can see they all got a lot of fixed docks. There are some floating docks. Got any words of wisdom?
It's time to go boating, finally!
Finally! First Mate's getting the rest of the stuff in, and we're gonna go ahead and get wet. So let's get wet.
Morning! We're finishing our boat omelets.
Boat omelets and coffee. It's always good on the boat.
Look at Gigi. Behind Gigi.
Hi, Emmett! Show me your shoes. Rhett, what you doing? What are we doing today, Captain?
We're gonna go fishing! Finally! We're gonna go out and see if we can catch some walleye. Our next door neighbor at the dock was out this morning and limited out, so he said should catch some fish. So we're gonna go about 3 miles out and drop a hook and see if we can catch something. So let's go. Rhett, put your glasses on, buddy. Here, let's put your glasses on.
So Papa, how you're Hollywood.
Come here. Come here, put them on. There you go. Look at Grandpa. Hey, buddy, look at Grandpa. No, don't take them off. Oh.
It has to be his idea, Papa.
Well, we had a little storm we had to evade, so we're back to the dock.
Oh, that's true.
And I got a couple lines in. I'm showing some fish. Let me show you here. I am marking a little bit of fish behind the boat, so while we're sitting here at the dock and it's getting sunnier again, I thought we'd go ahead and drop a line and see if we can catch some fish, since we didn't catch anything out in the lake. But we're going to do some more fishing tomorrow. Hopefully we get something.
Papa, say hi. Let's go sleep on the boat.
Hi.
Go sleep on the boat?
Sleep on the boat?
Go
Boat?
sleep on the boat?
Mama.
Mama's coming.
Mama's coming.
She's coming.
So this is the Mikey Marina. Haven't shown a lot of video of it, but this is our spot. So every one of these spots, actually you have campers associated with a lot of these spots. And from what I understand, there's a waiting list to get into the campsite, and the campsite tied to a dock. So you have to buy a camper that's already here to get one, otherwise you'd be on a waiting list. So it's a pretty nice setup. You park right, as you can see right here, you got the truck, park right at your boat. You got water and electric, got long docks, kind of narrow, kind of slippery, but not too bad. Basically you pull in because the rock line does come out quite far, and you don't want to get the prop into that. But this is our little slip. Nice big wide channel too for navigation into your slip. Pan around here a little bit. The sign says there's 1,800 slips here, and there's a couple different parts to this marina. It's a pretty large marina, and it's very, very reasonably priced. We paid $20 a night for this slip for full hookup, water and electric. Can't beat that. Shower house right across the way. It's pretty nice. Big marina. Pretty quiet too. There's been a few people here, but not a lot of people here for a holiday weekend. But all in all, fun time.
Oh, you drive the boat fast.
Are you driving?
Drive it fast. Yeah. Oh, it's a baby.
You're so silly.
It's a baby.
Let's go. Drive it.
Drive it. With your feet?
Is that how you drive a boat, with your feet?
Whoa.
Whoa, be careful, Bubby. Good Saturday morning on 4th of July weekend. So I got son-in-law Kyle with me, and we're gonna go out and do some walleye fishing today. So the guy next to us just limited out by 9 o'clock. Said the fish are jumping in the boat. So hopefully we're gonna catch something. So we've got the back of the boat opened up. We got some fishing rods ready. We're gonna use some Erie dearies, some bottom bouncers, and we got some night crawlers. And hopefully we're gonna catch some fish. Come on, fish on!
I don't know what it is, but
We got the first fish of the day on.
Come on, walleye. Come on, walleye. Feels like a good fish.
You just reeling slow?
Yep. That looks like a walleye, baby. Yeah, get the net.
Right.
Oh, we lost him.
Oh! You got a fish on. Yeah! Alright, first fish in the boat.
See a keeper?
Looky there.
He looks like it.
Oh shit!
Oh no.
It's off now. First fish in the boat.
Woo! She's a beaut.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. About 18. All right. It's good, right? It's good. All right. Walleye for dinner. That's not a big one.
It's alright. It's a fish, man.
Fish. Woo!
Get in the boat.
16 keeper.
Pretty sure it was 16.
We'll look at it. Thing out of there for you. Another fish on. Oh yeah. Hey, you still doing it? Yes. Good one too. Look at that. 4-pound test ultralight with an Erie dearie. Third one in the boat. That's a good one.
That's a good one. That's bigger than the first one.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one right there. Take a look at that, baby. Woo! So we're trolling, see if we can get anything just at idle speed. We are marking fish, and there's quite a few boats out here, and a lot of guys have limited out, so hopefully we're going to get our limit. We got 9 to go. We got 3 in the box. So we're trying everything we got. We're going to do a little drifting now. Got a lot of boats out here. Another good one. Look at that. That's a nice fish. Got him on the bottom bouncer. That's 4 in the boat. Kyle's getting suited up. We've got him with, caught him with a little bit of everything so far. Well, we're taking her in. We got storm looming here, if you can see that off in the distance. It's getting pretty dark to the west, but Kyle and I had a great time. Beautiful day. The water's been pretty calm, and we've been marking a lot of fish, and we did catch 4 nice fish, so we're going to get back and fillet them up, and we're still trolling a little bit, so maybe we'll snag something on the way in. But all in all, fun day. The girls been at the campground playing with the grandkids, and so we're going to just take her in and clean some fish and get ready for the rain. A little sangria to celebrate. Successful fishing day.
Get a picture of me holding them.
Better than a day at work. Yeah, you want to?
Almost 20.
Just about 19?
19.
19 inch.
This was the one that was close.
You got 16.
16.
It's
Oh, yeah.
15 to keep. There's the big one for the day is 19 and a half.
Almost 20.
Bent a little bit. It's gold. And almost 17 and a half. It's not all bad.
Let's see. Three ways.
Emmett, are you fishing?
Reel it back in, baby. Here, show
What you
Papa
got,
how to
buddy?
do it. Show Papa how to do it.
Get your
Keep
fish.
going around. Keep going. Keep doing it.
Look what you got, buddy. You got a fish on. Good job, Emma.
What is that? Tell him. Tell him. Fishy.
Did you get him?
Fishy. Oh,
Alright,
you just like
good
dropped
fish,
it down.
Emmett.
Good job,
Good
Bubba.
fish.
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
Okay, bring him in.
Want me to do it?
Buddy, reeling in the fish. Ready, buddy?
You want to sit up there right
Reel it in, bud.
Catch the fish.
there? You do it? You do it? Hold on.
Come on, Brad.
You did it!
You got him.
I'm in. Just want to get a picture.
Good job, Brad.
You want me to move it?
Now we do these in, and we talk.
Show him, look at him.
Come on, bud.
There. Good job. Catfish, Bubby. Look what Grandpa caught.
Look!
Catfish, channel cat.
Oh, you should go tell Rhett.
Redford, look at
He's
that
downstairs.
fishy.
Wow.
Another great weekend on the water. It's Sunday. It's kind of gloomy out. The sky's gray. It's not raining yet, but possibility of a chance of rain. But we're got the boat on the back. So you got the in the mirror there. Got her all loaded up and ready to go. Had a great time. Stayed at the Marina. Very cheap, very nice marina. A lot of slips. Like I said, 1,800 slips. Only cost us 20 bucks a night. Can't beat that. Good access right to the lake, and we'll have to go about 3 miles out, do some good fishing. So what'd you think, first mate? Did you have a good time?
What a wonderful weekend. We had family, we had friends, we had fishing, we had swimming. Best time.
Did a little camping. The kids
Did a
were
little
camping. Didn't have any campfires. It was hot. We had a good hot
for
weekend,
campfires.
but it was a good time. So they'll definitely be back. There is another marina here called Anchor Point, which we might check that one out. It's the one actually closest to the lake. So we might try that when we come back the next time. But we're headed out, ready to go back for that 3.5 hour drive home. So see you next time.
Remember, if you like what we're doing, comment, like, or subscribe. See ya!